Welcome back to the series of gameplay videos on Interstellar Incorporated. This is the second in the series where we're going to talk about starting a game and how different starting game options can affect gameplay. So with the new game started, we're presented with the Tycoon Selection, where you can select a number of different tycoons which have different strengths and weaknesses, which will allow different gameplay styles. Starting with the first one here, for which we currently just have some artwork. We don't have any artwork, as you can see, yet for the other ones. Annika Olsen is a shipping magnate, which means she's expert in shipping, not so good in manufacturing, and has specific starting technologies that relate to her shipping expertise, as well as a special ability which relates to, again, shipping, which allows for faster loading and unloading of cargoes on supply routes, of which I will talk more about later on in another video. By comparison, we can see another company, which is more of a generalist, has all sorts of different bonuses and some liabilities too. There's a farming expert with good farm productivity, not so good research. Company that specializes in fast research cost and quick innovation, and one which is very good at selling into markets, so you get very good prices on when you sell goods to your world markets. There's a mining expert here, one which is very good at refining and manufacturing, not so good at research. One which is good at building new colonies on new worlds, and lastly one which is very good at space exploration. So you can see there's a good spread of different skills available between the tycoons, which should enable repeat gameplay and deliver very different game dynamics according to which one you go with. So with the tycoon selected, we can now change the look at the galaxy dimensions and how we want to shape our universe. The default setting here is 100 parsecs wide and long, and just 20 high, with 60 star systems which will set the density. So we'll just go with that default setting. If we start that, we immediately then presented with the galaxy view, which you can see here has a number of stars. The reason why you can't see so many is because there's a limit on the sensor range that you have on ships. So the idea will be that as you go further out into exploring these stars, more stars will appear in this empty layout here. This empty layout here shows you the dimensions of the overall galaxy that we set there. So we can see we've got each grid is a 10 parsec wide grid, and the height of the star stalks will obviously be limited to 20. So if we restart the game just to demonstrate different galaxy settings, so we'll reduce our galaxy size down, but we'll increase the number of star systems, triple that at least, let's quadruple it. So now we will see a very dense star field here in the galaxy, probably more than you could ever really need, so this will probably be a rather easy game. All the stars are very close, which means you're going to be able to move your goods around very quickly. You can see here the galaxy itself is actually very small, so there isn't really much in the way of exploration either. So anyway, that's just to demo the starting options on the game and how that affects gameplay. Next I'll be talking about the galactic view itself in detail and star exploration. I'll see you in the next video.